Hangzhou Qirui Tools Company Limited is a Chinese professional manufacturer and marketer of replacement parts and accessories in chainsaw and harvester line. As a leader in innovation and quality, Qirui produces bars, saw chains, and sprockets that are well respected in the forestry industries and the garden landscape industry. From the year 2003 till now, and for the coming future, Qirui is the market leader in manufacturing high-quality bars, saw chains, and sprockets for every user in the world. Qirui Tools is the first and the good manufacturer in supplying gardening and forestry tools and accessories in China. Since founding, we keep introducing high technology, advanced equipment, and raw material from Germany, Switzerland, USA, and Japan, and other foreign countries. With the hard working of our experienced mechanics and professionally trained personnel, our products are flexible used in various extremely environments due to their heat and cold resistant features. As the pathfinder of the industry in China, we have built strong trade relationship with many famous customers all over the world. We stick to provide our customers the good quality, on-time delivery, and reliable service, and we will keep running for our customers and the market. Please believe that our company is the good choice for you. We welcome you to contact us for more information.